Ford Valley Woods, along with Raincliffe, are the largest community-managed woodland in the country. It's believed to be over 6,000 years old, with it being used by people around 4,000 years ago for things such as coppicing. It gets its name from the charcoal production and ironworking, with the foundry north of the valley in 1798. The valley was formed by the glaciers melting at the end of the last ice age, around 11,500 years ago. Raincliffe is believed to have come from the name Hraffin, who was one of the Norse invaders to this part of Yorkshire, with cliff coming from Old English meaning steep descent. The valley follows the route of the Derwent, which was the site of mills and coal transport. It is thought to get its name from Deira, an area of post-Roman Britain that became Northumbria, and is thought to get its name from the old word for oak.